Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And this is Shad Shafi.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
It's something that the WHO gives.
WHO?
What else?
Like for the same thing, for stopping
Diarrhea.
loose
Loosies.
loosies,
Oh, wow.
loosey gooseys.
Tight motion.
This is
Yeah.
something actually I don't
Stop
understand.
stop motion camera.
You shit and stop. It falls out in stop motion.
It eases
Like
up the
a
diarrhea because
music.
it's like
Which Coldplay music video has stop motion?
Strawberry swing. Strawberry swing.
yeah. Fantastic Mr. Poop. That's what.
This Roko should, like, whoever makes Roko, which I'm sure if it's called Roko, it's got to be somehow connected to India, or they picked the name from India. Like, is there a medicine to do the opposite, to make you shit?
Chalo.
Yeah,
Chalo.
No, there was an ad which Raju Srivastava used to give. No, remember? Where it was like, if you take this, your stomach will be clean and you'll be able to go to the bathroom the next morning.
Oh,
Yeah.
you won't have to go to the bathroom next morning.
No, then
For
you'll
the
have to
night
like to
you'll
clear
shit.
your stomach.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what UFC fighters do
A
sometimes.
laxative.
Laxative, yeah.
Laxative, yeah.
Clear your
Laxative kind.
system. Also, I think sometimes these actors have to do it when they're going to shoot the shot where you have to
Abs.
see their abs.
Yeah.
They clear out. Like Daniel Craig, I think, said, like, they don't eat food.
They don't
For
drink
a
water
day.
also. Because,
Water also.
yeah.
And I think it was Daniel Craig or some actor, maybe Henry Cavill, who was saying that after 1.5 days or something of just tasting water, not drinking it, like, you can smell water, it seems, from the other room. Like, someone has water
Oh.
there.
UFC people also do that. They bite ice. They have cloths in
Ah.
which ice is there, and they just like chew
to feel
the
like
towel
it's water.
with
Wow.
ice in it, so
Yeah.
that they can just like the body trick their body that they're eating,
Yeah, it's cheating.
but
the
they're
body.
like not eating. Weight
Imagine-
cutting time.
Imagine losing a fight after doing all of this. You do all this and then you get beaten up
Yeah.
also.
And they say you lost because you were weak. Yeah,
Yeah.
I didn't eat. I didn't eat for 2 days.
I feel like if you lose a fight after that, there should be additional footage of like the
FNB.
parents
There should be
beating
free
up.
FNB
the
if you
kids.
come.
Free FNB.
It's like a blood donation camp.
Yeah.
They want banana and one pineapple cake on the way out.
But with this Roku and everything, you know what I don't understand? Like all of these big websites, like biggest search engine is Google, YouTube, and stuff. How is it not just called search.com? How is it not called video.com, porn.com?
No one's got those yet.
Yeah, why are those not the biggest websites for the
Hey,
thing they're
that's
doing?
there's got to be one, right? Which is like that.
There isn't any.
Booking.com.
Yeah.
Housing.com.
Housing.com. Yeah.
See, these
Oh, there are
guys
quite
got
a
it.
few, actually.
So I think someone's bought those and kept already
Yeah.
the URLs, and they're not using it, or they died.
I know
Maybe.
someone who is a domain trader.
Oh.
Yeah, who just who has a team of people who just this was like 10 years back, where all these startups, 4-letter startups like Uber
Yeah.
and all those things, very like whatever Sifi and all those things. So these guys would just like anything that is phonetically something,
Right.
they would just buy it and keep it, and then they will sell it to whichever startup.
Did they
comes
make
up.
any money with
They
anything?
made that guy made some money.
But was this a movement? 4 letters? They have
Yeah.
to-
A
Yeah.
4-letter startup. This one.
Mm.
I just remember because in
2-syllable.
Yeah, Silicon Valley they reference this also.
Oh.
That's
yeah.
how I know.
Well, 2-syllable can be 3-letter, like Ola. That's
Yeah, Ola. I mean,
Ola.
whatever. Yeah.
Yeah,
Just like
well,
quick
yeah.
startup soundy
yeah.
domain names.
Amazing. Like, you know who else does the 2-syllable type thing? Asian restaurants.
Yeah.
They're all like miso,
Yeah.
koba.
Kofu. No, that's
That's
three.
all 2 things, and you're like, I
Yumi.
mix them all
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
I can't remember which one. I'm like,
they all sound the same. They all look the same.
Yeah.
Their food
The
is...
restaurants.
The
The
Yeah, the
restaurant.
restaurants.
please clarify.
Yes,
yeah.
the restaurants. Now we're talking about the restaurants.
Yeah.
Earlier we were not.
The restaurants only look the same.
I was talking about the restaurant.
Yeah, but I always mix up in only through Zomato. I remember, oh, this place had ordered this. Otherwise, I
Yeah.
forget which one
Yeah.
was what.
Dude, sushi also I've been really enjoying. Veg sushi I've been really enjoying.
Really?
Veg sushi.
Just the way the rice touches the soy sauce and absorbs. I'm like, dude, these Japanese people haven't figured out, dude.
The
Say it again.
rice
Can you say
touches
it?
the soya sauce. The
Yeah.
most creepy way I've seen sushi described in my life.
Because like while growing up, they were like, yeah, sushi rice is you know, ऐसे चिपका हुआ सा
हाँ,
होता है.
yeah,
and stuff.
yeah,
But then
yeah.
I had it and I was like, oh, this is very good
Yeah,
actually.
sticky rice.
Sticky rice,
It's
right?
Sticky
it's
rice.
great.
You don't need to have it hot, which I love.
Yeah.
That is crazy. That is
That is-
crazy.
And in Japan, it's like in vending machines, you can
Yeah.
like order, like you can just put like whatever their currency, yen,
Yes.
Yen, yeah.
100
And it
yen,
just- yeah,
and you
yeah,
can
yeah.
get like one, you can pop, pop, pop.
Yeah.
Why that sound?
No, that's-
But,
chicken sushi.
Have you
Pop,
watched
pop, pop.
for chicken sushi?
Dude, the best-
That's when
best-
you're scared to eat real sushi. That's called chicken sushi. There's a veg sushi should be called chicken.
The best one hilarious comment I
Huh.
saw was so there was a reel on someone saying that in Japan, if you
Yeah.
go, you should do this where
Huh.
for $100 you
Yeah.
can customize, you can get your own chopsticks, right? They will give you can select the wood, you can like engrave,
Like a
you
wand,
can-
Harry
there's a-
Potter. Yeah.
you can make it for $100. And the
Yeah.
first comment was like, this is what you call in Japan a touristu trapu.
So good.
Touristu trapu.
Have you guys watched that Hero Dreams of Sushi?
Yeah, oh, dude.
So
No, I'm not
good.
seeing it
Wonderful.
yet.
It is so good.
They removed it from Netflix actually. It's
yeah,
not there anymore.
it's there.
Yeah.
It's there on YouTube full.
Okay.
Is there on one Netflix?
Also, after I watched that, I have to say there is this. It came in the suggestions. This it's a new younger sushi
Yeah.
chef.
Hmm.
It's like a 30-minute video. If you can find it, like best sushi restaurant in Japan, it's
Hmm.
called. But it's a documentary film. It's maybe the best thing I've ever seen on YouTube.
Why is it so good?
Dude, it's like philosophy, but not like it's not trying to be philosophy, and it works. Like this guy is so hardworking, and he
Yeah.
enjoys it so much
Yeah.
that when you're feeling lazy, like none of the motivational stuff works on me.
Yeah.
But this one works
Yeah.
because this guy loves what he does. He does
Yeah.
it every day from like 6 a.m. to when it's all
Yeah.
over, and he's not once be going like, "Come on, dude,
Yeah.
it's tiring."
Yeah.
He
Yeah.
loves it. It's too much. His love was like bothering me how much he loves this.
It's the opposite of us when we're doing stand-up. We're like, I have to go to a 15-minute spot
Yeah.
again.
Yeah.
I just
Same
did it
material.
last week, dude.
Yeah.
What-
I think with stand up, if you have too much optimism, then you're not funny anymore.
Yeah.
I feel if you're too optimistic, it doesn't look good on screen. You should be a
Yeah.
bit of a sour puss. That's what I like. The
Yeah,
most.
if you're fun to hang out off stage,
Yeah.
you're not funny on
I don't
stage.
know
I
about
guess.
that.
If you're pleasant off stage, you're
If you're
not
pleasant is a good
Yeah.
point.
This Zero Dreams,
Yeah.
with the what do you say? One thing I didn't like, one thing that got to me
Yeah.
at the end of it was that like this guy will be like, okay, so we get salmon, we get the Salmon King of Japan. We go to his place,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? This guy, he knows salmon
knows
by
sa-
their second
yeah,
name.
he does
and he
like-
will talk to them.
Yeah.
And then crab, we go to the
Crab
crab
King.
emperor
Yeah.
of Fukushima.
Yeah,
And then it goes, everyone has like one title.
Yeah.
where
Yeah.
They have
And they
and-
introduce him like a badass.
Yeah, like
All
an
he's
Avenger.
doing is these are murderers. They murder
You go to the
animals.
prawn prime minister.
It's all alliterations. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Like the clam chancellor.
yeah, that's like, dude, okay, we get it. You're good. and
Yeah.
all.
But that also the thing with sushi because it's raw,
Yeah.
right? Is the how fresh it has to be.
Yeah.
It's not even cooking. It's
Yeah.
literally cutting and serving fast.
Rich,
Yeah.
That's what
And
it is.
the ending of that, I think it's in this documentary only
He
where
wakes up. It was all a dream. He's never had sushi before.
and he spins the top and he's like, was it a dream or not?
Din, 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 din,
No,
din,
so
din.
is that only where...
Sushi goes back to he goes back to his day job.
Man.
No, the ending was... wasn't it this one where like they have this whole touching thing where like now there's a salmon extinction possibility because people are
Yeah.
killing
Over-
young
overkilling.
salmon.
Because they're eating
Yeah.
too
So
much
they were
sushi.
like, don't kill young
Yeah.
salmon. Wait for them to grow up
Yeah.
and then kill them.
Yeah, this was a big thing. They're like, how inhumane. Let them live a full life and then murder them.
I was like,
When
what?
they are bigger, so we can eat more of them.
Is that a thing though? Like baby salmon, like veal is a thing.
I don't think baby salmon is a thing. I've not heard
Okay.
of it.
Yeah.
But let us know in the comments if you're into baby salmon.
Yeah.
But that's my worry with non-vegetarian sushi is that
Yeah.
it's just so raw that I'm just afraid of getting food poisoning.
yeah, you can not trust any place. You have to really hear that this is the
Yeah.
whoever's the sushi king of
Mumbai.
this area.
Sushi sorcerer.
I want to
Yeah.
see like a film where like the salmon is thinking about Jiro. It's the opposite. He's dreaming about
Nightmares. Salmon nightmares. of
Jogeshwari
Zero.
to Japan, like Dongri to Dubai. That's the story of the sushi king.
Man, imagine like these salmon, they're known for like swimming for like across
Yeah.
the earth.
Yeah.
And then imagine doing that.
We
And
just-
what do you get in reward?
Yeah, you come and
You
get
get
served in a
served.
12-seater
Yeah.
restaurant.
12-seater. Yeah, it's not even like big, huge room. And all.
Yeah,
It's
and it's-
immediately filling fast. The
and it's
moment you open it.
And the worst part is that this happens in Bangalore also, where in these 12-seater restaurants, right? Everyone who goes there, they always have the best reviews because this guy gives a sushi in front of you and he's like, eat it right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. it's
Obviously, you're going to
pressure.
give a good review,
Yeah.
right?
The ruder they are,
Yeah.
the better the restaurant
Yeah.
is. They found this new thing.
Deliver it. Then
But-
we'll get the right review.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's like when you get off an Uber and you wait for them to rate you
Yeah.
in front of you, so I have
Yeah.
to give you 5 stars.
So, but the thing with Japan is this whole extreme discipline and
Yeah.
respect.
Yeah.
Which is coming from the samurai
Yeah,
culture.
yeah,
If
yeah.
you've seen Shogun,
Yeah.
you'll see the
Yeah.
extremes of it. Where if you you bring dishonor to your family, you kill your whole family,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
You kill your son kills himself, wife kills so that no one can produce.
What is
kids
it
again.
called?
Seppuku.
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 You do seppuku.
Seppuku.
So because of that, I think I've heard in Japan, obviously there has to be a counter culture. So
Yeah.
that's why they go extreme in the other direction
Yeah.
with freedom and like exploring things. 'Cause
Correct.
They've
Oh.
been brought up under such extreme respect and reservations. It's like we have a small version of that in India. Right?
Yeah.
Japan is the extreme of that.
Also, they have not had a cultural invasion.
Yeah, no one's invaded Japan.
Yeah,
Like,
they have
culturally
invaded
invaded.
everybody
Yeah,
with
they have done a
anime
lot
and
of
stuff.
invasion. No
Invaders.
one has changed their ways.
Japan is the white people of Asian people.
Yeah, they were locked for a long time.
Is
Like,
that true?
like they invaded a lot of places. So in that
Right,
sense,
yeah. Huh,
like
fair.
they invaded
Yeah.
China. I think Korea ke saath they had a
Yeah.
thing. And,
Yeah. They had a small fling
A
with
little-
Korea.
little brouhaha.
Yeah. But it's, I would love to go to.
I really
Japan.
wanna
go.
I would love to go to Japan.
Same.
Anthony Bourdain says the best place you can go.
Yeah,
Imagine
he said it's like
said
an
it.
acid trip.
Yeah,
Yeah.
best watches also they make.
Oh,
That is
Really?
something.
Casio.
Seiko.
Seiko
I
and
said
stuff.
Seiko.
I read like
Casio
this.
also is Japanese only.
Yeah, yeah.
Casio is also
But
Japanese.
it's like not like
Yeah.
high end.
I read this fact. I don't know if it's true or not.
What do you mean? You said it. I read this fact.
Yeah, it's true, guys. If you,
Those two
if
sentences can't come one after the
I saw a
other.
fact on Reels. Let's just
Okay,
put it
fair
that
enough.
way. So
Okay.
that's what. I don't know. So apparently, like all these Switch small watchmakers had like a monopoly
Yeah.
about making the best timepieces. And they would have an annual competition to see who can make the most accurate timepiece. And it would be like Omega is winning, all these people are winning.
Yeah.
And then Seiko comes with the quartz watch. And
Mm.
it wins like every year that they just stopped having the competition. They were like, there's no point. We can't
Yeah.
compete
Oh,
with these guys
God.
anymore.
Yeah.
I love that when that happens.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even the car industry also. Japan has
Japan,
Toyota
yeah.
changed
Yeah.
everything. Honda, Toyota.
Honda, Toyota.
Like everyone knows in the US when I lived there, everyone knew that
Yeah.
if you're buying a non-Honda, non-Toyota, you're just doing it to say I'm buying American.
Yeah.
But there's
okay.
no reason if you really
Yeah.
want economically a Honda or Toyota in the US, it never stops. You will die. Your next generation can drive it. But
Yeah.
unless you crash the car, it will go on forever. Corollas.
But yeah, but here too we have that rule, no? Like every 15 years you have to buy a new car
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Which is
Yeah.
insane, dude. It's a 10-year
Like,
EMI.
dude,
Emissions
E20 will ruin Japan, bro.
Oh,
E20
yeah.
fuel?
Yeah.
That we have the
Yeah.
we
We're
have the
gonna-
whatever the Hiroshima of that engine we have.
You can your car can drink and drive
Yeah.
now. You can just put alcohol in it. It crashes like they breathalyze your car. Like, hey, why's there alcohol in this?
Yeah.
But
There was a book by this guy. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. Iacocca, the Lee Iacocca.
Ayatollah Khomeini.
No. That is a bigger book. Which you have to read
I've not
from
read his work.
right
Yeah,
to
yeah.
left.
He's not much of he's more an audiobook guy. But yeah.
But Lee Iacocca, he's a Ford guy.
Okay.
And he used to say that these Japanese, like this Volkswagen will release one like Beetle,
Yeah.
and Japanese will import one. and they'll just like strip it apart, and they'll be like, okay, this is not needed, this is not needed, this is not, and they'll just like
Wow.
deconstruct it and reconstruct again with like half the parts, and they will like.
I
There's
love
just
that.
like one seat in it. There aren't two. Only this is for one person car.
Yeah, they're like, first of all, we make our people also smaller.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that we are saving
Yeah.
space like that. You can't do that only. The people are smaller. Like,
Also, what I like about Japan is our currency is stronger than.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, I mean, it's not strong.
Let's not use the
one
word
rupee
strong.
is 1.5 yen.
No, but that's not strong. That's just.
Is it not?
That's
What is?
like a denomination.
Okay, then I don't know what
maybe.
that
I
means.
mean, let us know, man.
I just know that 1 rupee, you get more yen
Yeah.
for 1 rupee.
Yeah, that feeling would be nice.
But
Yeah.
no, it is. But
I think
it's
the
about how much
purchasing power
Yes.
parity it is. That's the real thing which
Oh,
measures.
That's
Okay.
the one.
It's
yeah.
like what is 1.5 yen for them is not what 1 rupee is for us.
Yes.
1 rupee for us is much less for us here than 1.5
No, but the
is for
things
them.
cost the same. Like,
No. There's like the numbers are crazy. Like, oh, you know, one small Coke will be like 5,000 yen and all. It'll be like that.
oh,
Something like
okay.
that. Like,
I mean, I don't know. Please.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we're
No,
wrong.
there'll be comments like Gotham went to IIM,
Yeah.
which is the latest trend these days. I've noticed.
maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm wrong, but my gut feeling is Japan's doing better economically than India. I might
Fair.
be completely wrong. Don't bring up GDP. That's not. We know GDP. We can beat most people.
I
in
just thought
GDP.
that whenever a currency is worth more, they're doing better.
Yeah.
That's my amity brain telling me.
You know, GDP, if it's low, it's like gross domestic products. Like
Nice.
disgusting.
Nice one. And when it's good domestic.
Great. Why not great?
Sure, when it's doing really well, then it's
Gross domestic
It's
product.
disgusting.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah,
Look at this
yeah.
domestic
Oh.
product.
Yeah,
Yuck.
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 The
YDP.
packaging is toned.
yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
Man.
I have some notes for the podcast.
Oh
if
my
you guys
God.
are-
My God.
I have
let's go
tried
for
watching literally every episode.
it. You
guys
tried
have made.
watching. This is already starting bad. It
Yes,
sounds like an insult.
I've tried watching. Biggest pet peeve: you guys do not have chapters in your podcast.
Oh, here we go. This guy is speaking for the people now.
Yes,
Man.
there are no chapters. I can't. I'm sorry, you're
Yeah.
my friends, but I don't have time to listen to you yap about for 1.5 hours.
Look at this.
But if you yap
This is all
for
getting
10
cut
minutes
out. Yeah.
for a certain
Yeah.
topic, I'll watch that.
Okay, how about look, instead of chapters, how about when we're done with the topic, we just do like this in the video.
Yeah, so
So
when
when
they
you're
scroll
forwarding, you
through,
can see the
you can
hand
see
is
when
up
you're
and
changing.
oh, the chapter has changed now.
No, but
But
I
you
want to
wanna
know
know
what
what?
you're talking about.
Okay.
That is my issue.
I mean, like to add that, the editor charges like a lakh.
Yeah.
Is
Do
that
you know how
true?
much editing costs?
Oh,
nowadays?
okay. No, but I thought YouTube would do that automatically with AI or whatever.
I feel like we are coming into this with a level of arrogance that you should not care and you should
Yeah.
watch the
It's
whole
a free
thing.
flowing conversation.
And in the
Yeah.
world where there are chapters,
It's jazz.
it's just.
Right.
Yeah, this is
Have you
jazz.
read Terry Pratchett's work? He doesn't put chapters, and he's the best-selling author of all
Oh, he
time.
doesn't
one
do
of them.
chapters?
Yeah, never.
Yeah,
It's-
I've
you
not
just
read his
have to-
book. I
I
think
can't
it's like
read.
too long drawn.
I love this.
I
He's
could only
very
get through one
funny.
chapter.
He's very funny. The whole book is one chapter, so
Yeah.
it's just a long
Oh.
one.
So the Kindle just says 7 hours for chapter, 7 hours for book.
Yeah. Basically, also it motivates you to be like, oh, there's no chapter. Let me read a little more. Like it's not ending,
Oh.
and suddenly you finish the book.
Yeah.
And that's what we
Okay.
want with this podcast. Watch from
Okay,
beginning
nice.
to end.
No one
But
has ever
it's a
done it
good
till
point.
now.
Yeah.
According to the data, no one has ever finished a
No
podcast.
one does what we do, which is when they've created a feature, not use it. That's called
Yeah.
rebel.
We say
Rebellion.
hype the podcast
Okay.
in the end.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that no one hears
We
it.
have
Okay.
asked them to subscribe so little that people in the comments have said, guys, please ask them to subscribe. We have made our audience wake up and help us.
As long as you guys have a reason, is
Yeah,
my
That's
that's all.
all.
Yeah, we have
Kala.
conviction.
Thala is my reason. Okay.
my second reason
Yeah.
I could never watch it is
Oh,
because
God.
What? I thought you watched it.
no. Huh?
Okay.
You watch part of it.
Part of it.
I've seen the first 1 minute 30 seconds of every episode, and I'm like, hey, there are no chapters. And another reason,
Yes.
Got
let's
which
go.
is I consider you guys to be friends
Yes.
of
Okay.
mine, not of each other.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So I just get
What?
very annoyed
Yeah.
when I see, like, I'm just like, why are these people hanging out without me? Then I skip it.
Nice.
We always
That's-
keep a space over here
Yes.
for you. You
So
don't come.
the resolve for that I was thinking of
Yeah.
is that you guys invite me to every podcast.
Okay.
I'll say no, I won't
Okay.
come. But I'll be like, hey, they invited me to hang out.
Oh,
I
fair.
couldn't come.
This is a very nice complaint. I think we
Yes.
can work this one into our
Yeah.
schedule.
Yes.
One of us every time, like, who's telling Shad this time?
Yeah.
And we'll invite you.
We'll
Done,
invite.
done.
Yeah. Very
Recurring-
sorry. First of all, we're very sorry.
Yes.
Recurring
It's
event.
fine. Yeah.
You're like, not today, not this time.
Yeah.
Third,
Okay,
I
nice.
would like it.
Oh, there's a third.
Yes,
okay.
I noticed this when I came here.
Okay.
Is that I would like it if you guys had like hair and makeup people for
Oh.
the guests also.
For
Because I came in and Gotham like had this full kit out, which had like a perfume and like skincare and shit.
Oh
I was
my
like,
God.
whoa,
What are you doing, Gautam? I
what
didn't
is
know
this?
you're carrying
I also
this.
wanted to get this done.
Yeah.
Dude, I was my own hair and makeup, dude.
We were in our vanities. And
Yeah.
Shad was just on the street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are like, just throw some water on his face before he gets on. Meanwhile, I'm getting like, I don't even know. I can't even
Yeah.
do this bit
The-
because I
he's
don't know
getting his
products.
eyelashes done.
Eyelashes, yeah.
I entered Antariksh is trying on shirts. He had a costume. He's not even on camera.
Yeah, he's like the reflection of the shirt and the light will
Yeah.
come through. So
I asked him, can I get it like an iron? And he's like, go stand in the sun. It'll be fine.
But yeah, I do have that pouch does look daunting.
Yeah, dude, it was like a this big.
it's
pouch.
he really has
He-
it.
he
Oh, I
actually
didn't
had
know
a
that.
pouch.
It's not. It's everything. Like it has like melatonin.
Wow.
It has.
Oh, you took my melatonin before?
No, no, it has everything.
This guy wants to take a nap on camera. 3 cameras set up for a nap.
I want to see my sleep score. I want to
Yeah.
see
No one
it.
is doing a sleep podcast.
Yeah.
Just 3 people take
Oh.
melatonin and try to stay awake. Dude,
Yeah.
that's a great
Dude.
That's a good fun podcast.
Yeah.
That's what, and next episode, heroin.
Oh, yeah.
We do the
Then-
opposite.
Then like Russian roulette
Oh,
to
it's not
see
the opposite. Yeah, actually, it's not the opposite. It does the same thing.
Yeah.
Cocaine.
cocaine. Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah. But that's all. The
That's
feedback?
That's all. the
Thank you.
feedback.
Thank
That's
you very
solid.
much.
We,
Thank
you.
we reject one of outright and the
Yeah.
other
But
two.
chapters, please.
And the most logical one you said we reject.
Yeah.
The chapters one.
I just can't watch anything which doesn't have chapters now. Like people have started doing it in stand-up videos now, and you also had it in one of your stand-up videos. I
Yeah,
think.
but I feel like that's more
Yeah.
of a
I
look
also
within.
had it, but
You-
I don't want it. I think it's
I want
bad.
you to stay from beginning to end.
I
right?
can't do that too.
But that's
I
like
just-
you
Chapters
gotta.
is on reels. That is my chapters.
Okay.
Also,
fair.
the way to remember is you comment saying I have 5627. You remember where you.
Yeah, then you tell
Yeah.
your audience to like write down
Comment.
what all you spoke about, and I can just skip
Ah.
to that part.
Oh.
Tell to the camera.
Okay, yeah. To our audience, which one should I look
Yeah.
at? Okay,
Yeah,
this
this
one.
one,
This is
yeah.
a two-shot.
Yeah.
video.
Hey, hi guys.
Hello,
Hi.
guys.
It's
Please.
like that Matthew McConaughey scene, right? Interstellar, like.
Please, if you can help us with the chapters, because some of you we know you watch from beginning to end, but some people don't have the attention
Yes,
span to do
I
it.
don't know.
Yeah.
You can roughly say here to here they spoke about this. You can anything. Give people
Yeah.
direction. Help us. Help you. Help us.
Just
Which I
don't
think
do it
there's
for
too many
this
that.
episode because I'm here for this episode. Do it for every other
Do
episode.
it for this also. It's not just for you. Wow.
It's just for I only care of
But
just
you're going to
DM
be
me
there
the
in every episode
timestamps.
going forward.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is true.
you
Yeah.
can even comment
is true.
chapters for Shad.
Yeah.
So you're mentioned
Yeah.
in every episode.
It's like you know when you sometimes watch like live concerts on YouTube and they don't tell you which
the
song
song.
they're.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
like, dude, I don't know half of their songs.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
let
Yeah.
me
If
listen
Lucky
to.
Ali concert, I'm straight to Osanam.
Yeah.
If it's
Yeah,
not-
exactly.
Yeah.
And of course, there are 4 times he does it in the concert. So you can go to any of
Yeah,
them.
I just know one Dream Theater song. I'm not going to listen to
Yeah.
a 7-minute drum solo to get to it.
Speaking of Dream Theater, a lot of live music happening in India. Have you noticed?
Yeah,
The
see-
district has some agenda, right? One concert every 2 weeks or every 2 months or
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah.
They
Dude,
try to-
Shamik and I are going for Seedhe Maut on Sunday. Have you told
Really?
him
Wow,
about this?
man.
We are
Dude,
not
take it
going.
by.
We are not going. Guys. I'm not going.
TBSN.
I was
No.
supposed to go, and
know.
I'm not able to go because
Now
I'm not in
nobody
town.
can go, by the way,
And
because
because
Shamik
I
is not
bought
going.
it, then the tickets are in my name.
Oh.
And Skillbox apparently, I don't know, they don't allow you to
You
transfer.
can't say that. तेरे भाई को दे रहा हूँ.
तेरे भाई को भी नहीं दे सकता
Yeah.
मैं. They like bring a photo ID with it, and it's in my
Oh.
name. I'm trying to figure out what, but if
Yeah.
it's not, I'm sorry, but You can buy tickets now. I'll give
I'm
you
not.
back your
No,
money.
I do. I wanna go on those tickets. Those tickets which we bought 4 months ago.
I
Those
know.
are tickets I
I'm
wanna
sorry.
go.
I didn't know how stupid is that you can't transfer tickets though. Like you can do
Yeah.
it in everything. Book My Show. I've transferred. Tom Morello is coming
Right.
tomorrow. When we're recording this, I gave it to someone.
Tom Morello, I think, is very good. Actually,
He's
I think he's very
awesome.
underrated as a
He's
guitarist.
amazing. I can't believe there's no hype around. Like more people should care. But if
Yeah.
it was Rage Against the Machine, they would care.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But they stopped making music also, no?
Yeah,
Rage
yeah,
Against the
yeah,
Machine.
Yeah.
But he should have said in the poster off Rage Against the
Yeah,
Machine something.
yeah.
Because
Feel
people
like,
don't
like from
know.
Amazon Prime, like
Yeah.
how we put it. no?
Yeah. Like yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We need that.
Credits.
Credits.
I was saying this yesterday about I was in this bookshop and they say on the book, right? Now a famous film.
Yeah.
Why are you advertising the film? Then I
Yeah.
won't buy the book.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Don't push us away from the product here.
Would you read the book, or like, I know this is a 2012 discussion, but like it's if this was on BuzzFeed, we would be having this
I
discussion.
think
This podcast.
this is a period in need. This is an evergreen discussion.
Yeah.
Would you read the book or the movie?
I prefer the movies to a lot of books.
I think if you read the book, you're gonna hate the movie usually.
True.
It doesn't
Right.
hold up to the book ever.
Yeah.
So once a movie is out, I take that call. Like, am I gonna have time to read this book? Usually, I won't because I'm slow at reading. So then I watch the. Also, who's making the movie? Like, I've not read
Yeah.
Dune. I've always
Yes,
wanted
correct.
to read Dune, but when I saw Denis Villeneuve is making, I'm like, I think we can trust him with this book.
Also, Dune is one of those famous ones where the movie is much better than the book, apparently.
No.
It's a very
I mean,
big
that's
book.
what I've read online. I've not read the book.
book is like people are crazy about the
Yeah.
book.
Oh, but also Fight Club. People say
the
the movie is much better than the
Chuck
book.
Palahniuk or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
That guy, I saw some podcast of it. He's one little crazy guy.
He's a crazy
yeah,
person.
Oh, is he still alive? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've read a short story by him. It's one of the most disgusting things.
Yeah,
Guts, it's called.
Yeah, I think I've read that. Yeah, it's just he's one psycho guy.
He's a psycho guy, a little bit.
Okay.
It's about like a kid in the swimming pool. You know the suction in the bottom of the pool, which
Yeah.
filters. He goes there and his butt gets stuck to the suction, and he describes how he gets his body gets destroyed by the suction.
Just save this in your drafts, dude. You don't need to publish
yeah,
this.
this is
crap.
like we wrote a good one. This
Yeah.
is shock jock.
This
kind
is
of thing.
this is for like a Substack or a WordPress kind of story. Don't
Yeah.
publish it.
Yeah.
But I
Don't
think
waste paper. for
I think
it.
he did always appeal to that young audience. He doesn't have like an older reader base. It's always kids who are looking for shock value kind of thing, you know?
Yeah.
Like in college, I remember my friends who were like, "Whoa, this guy is like the greatest," because that's when you're like, you want to be shaken
Yeah.
by
Yeah.
shock value. But now it's like, come on, dude,
Come
it's
on.
a gimmick. Just write a nice book. Huh?
Yeah.
How about a nice one?
For me, I read books. Like whenever like a Scorsese project will generally say
he did.
they say that okay,
Yeah.
like Killers of the Flower Moon, it came out saying that
Yeah.
he's going to adapt this book.
Yeah.
Then I read the book. Now he's adapting a new one for a
Yeah.
Netflix thing, some horror
Oh.
thing he's doing with Leo and J Law.
Jennifer Lawrence.
Oh, J-Lo still alive. Right?
Dude, she's alive
like-
and well.
30, I think.
If I don't see anybody on screen for like 5-6 years who was famous, I
Yeah.
just assume that they must
This is
have
the problem
died.
with stand-up also, right? If you don't upload a video every
Yeah.
6 months, they're like, "Arey, you
Yeah.
forgot
bhai,
your password."
6
Forgot your
months.
password.
Yeah.
1 month, some people don't
Yeah.
upload password. He remembered his password.
Password.
I can't believe remembered the password is still a thing. I don't remember the last time I entered my password
Yeah.
anywhere.
He remembered his face ID.
Yeah, his face ID.
Dude, in
he
the-
shaved again finally.
every few
His-
years, I have that one panic moment where I've forgotten the Google password and I f***ed up so bad, like I might be logged off from everything. They're like I've been trapped out of my account, and I've like had to like rack my brains about what the password was.
Yeah.
And once Google said suspicious activity, that was the
Oh.
scariest moment. 'Cause
Yeah.
if your Google account goes,
Yeah.
dude, you're like so
Gone.
fucked.
Yeah, your career is dead.
It's so scary. And that's when it hit me that day. I'm like, dude, if this goes, I'm like, oh my.
So you keep it the easiest password.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
PW1. And every month I change it to 2, 3,
Yeah.
or you know, to make it complex.
PW Jan, PW
It's just
Feb.
like there are just like I don't know what, like 3 factorial combinations or something, 3C2 or something. I don't know how it works.
Apple gives you that notification now, no? that your password appeared in a leak and stuff like that.
Ah.
But I've only been using strong recommended passwords from Apple only with hyphen and everything. One of those passwords
Hyphen,
appeared.
what?
And I was like, dude, I trusted you. You had this one job
I
of
know your
coming up with a
password
strong
now.
pass. Huh?
It's like 12 hyphens. That's your password now.
Yeah, there are 3 hyphens in it. I can tell you. 3 hyphens or 4-letter things.
Wow.
Wow.
Comment
You wanna
his
go for
password.
it?
That if you
Or
can.
try it out. Try it out
Yeah.
on his account.
Yeah.
and
No,
do-
this thing happens to me sometimes on UPI where it says too many times you've entered the wrong UPI pin, which I have not.
Yeah.
I have not made the
Yeah.
mistake. And someone told me that means someone somewhere is trying to use your
Oh.
UPI ID, which I don't know if that's true, because if that's true, someone's trying every week for mine.
Yeah.
Because it says yesterday it happened again, and it's like too many times you entered the wrong one. Then I did it again and said, "Oh, fine, that was fine."
That's how the whole iCloud leak happened.
Oh yeah.
It's because iCloud didn't have a number of times you can error
Oh yeah.
this one. So
Oh.
Are
the
you sure
whole
you didn't speak
celebrity
about
thing-
this in the last episode?
No, we spoke about it off camera.
Off cam. Sorry.
Yeah.
Let's give it to the
what
world.
was it called? It was called
fappening.
The Fappening.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I
Why is
remember
that called
that.
the happening?
Because a lot of
The leaked.
leaked
Yeah.
images, private images got
Of
leaked
many
of celebs.
celebrities. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So iCloud.
Jennifer Lawrence was in one.
Yes, I mean talking about her.
Yeah.
J Law was there in that.
Yeah.
But yeah, so because of that, so iCloud didn't have a check.
Hmm.
So you
Oh.
could like n number of times you could check. So these people used to just like do
Yeah.
brute force.
I would always think like Snapchat, things like that. Like there must be like an insane database of nudes that they have from
Yeah.
Snapchat, because it's
Yeah.
designed for that.
Yeah.
Without saying it.
No, Snapchat will have your saying.
Yeah.
Like on their
No,
servers
I mean,
and
they will
stuff.
say they deleted, dude.
Yeah, but in the servers,
Come on, bro.
they'll
I
have
hope it didn't Snapchat. Please delete
It's
it.
more wish than
Hey,
belief.
Snap, you're deleting it, right?
They have one separate what do you call
My-
server for Gotham.
2012 news.
Low res nudes.
Man, Snapchat was a weird app. But apparently it's still very popular
It's
with
very
the
popular
kids.
still.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now it's gotten back into the circulation.
When you open it, it just looks like this should not be a thing. It looks a little illegal, the app. It looks
Yeah.
like a little
Also,
grainy. And,
yeah. As soon as you open it, it opens with your front camera and you see your face. You're like, I don't think I'm going to be sexting anybody now.
You turn yourself off.
Yeah.
You're like, I'm sorry. You're texting someone and you're building up for the snap, and then you're like, sorry, I just saw myself.
Yeah.
I thought about myself.
Yeah.
Let's whatever rain check.
Left swipe on myself. That's what I'll do.
That's what they say that Beyonce has like a mirror above her bed.
What?
I was like, dude, that's the worst idea. I don't want to see myself.
That's
But
mad.
so, I feel like I'll just get scared every time I wake up in the morning.
Yeah,
Who's
imagine you
that
wake
above
up
me?
and you see Jay-Z's face. Fucking messed up.
Like just drool coming out of his mouth.
Yeah, just not what you want to see, man.
Or like
No, I don't think they sleep. They sleep separate beds.
What?
I'm sure. I don't know. I'm just.
They're
guessing.
married. They don't sleep in the same bed.
No, they're yeah.
Oh, they are going through
like
a-
joint family. Everybody's living together. For them traditional thing there. They're
Oh, you
celebrities, bro.
You think celebrities all sleep in separate beds?
I'm pretty sure
No,
they'll be
no,
having
no,
like
what are you
no.
saying?
No, no.
Yeah.
Some
yeah.
there's just few of them who do that. Most will sleep.
Like
in
I
the
feel
same
like a
bed.
lot of no, actually I don't think anybody would be doing this.
Some will do it, but
Maybe
not,
like the king of London,
I think-
UK.
London.
I'm sorry, but can you at least give, if you're giving one example, can it be a real thing?
The London King.
Oh, yeah,
London
I think
King.
Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch.
Oh, man. Jack Sparrow.
Yeah, I think like Calvin and Hobbes might be sleeping in different rooms. But
Not only is that not real, in that also Hobbes is not real. It's like two levels of
like
fakeness.
Garfield and Peter or whatever his name was.
Well, someone tells you, did you know in Calvin and Hobbes is not real? I'm like, yeah, Calvin is also not real, you loser. It's a cartoon comic.
Would you guys, like if you got married, would you want separate bedrooms or would you want the same bedroom?
I would, if it's a...
What?
He gave his answer.
What?
He said separate.
No, I know. I wasn't sure. Like, no, not separate bed. Like, if it's a lifestyle thing, it depends.
I think
on,
you should have another bed, but like so you have the option.
Yeah, option.
Okay.
You should have another room with a bed in it, basically.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That I also agree with.
Because I think you need space also while sleeping sometimes. You just need to be...
But then you can just get a bigger bed, no?
That's true. That's a good option.
Just
but this is, I'm thinking practically, if I'm in Mumbai, it's very tough to get a room with that big
you
a bed.
think a bigger bed is more difficult than a 2 BHK in Mumbai?
That's a good point. But the second bedroom I'm talking about is not in my house. It's in
Oh.
the house of the woman I'm having an affair with. So it's much easier.
It's better that we sleep in different beds.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. I think it's different beds.
Yeah,
Sometimes
my
no.
wife would be pissed off if we all slept in the same bed.
No, I've not given this enough thought. I think you guys are in relationships, so you are in a better place to give that some thought.
No, it's a lifestyle thing. That's the like.
Right.
If I come in at like 2 a.m.
Yeah, sleeping
and
at,
why would I want to wake someone up?
yeah.
Just that's what they signed up for. Dude, you wake up.
Yeah, love is all about disturbing
Sacrifice,
people.
yeah.
Love is about disturbing people.
How's all
Yeah.
about sacrificing your sleep?
I either would make sure that I'm very loud when I'm coming. Okay, hey, now my work is done. Now we chill.
You throw the key into
Yeah.
like a metal pot.
I throw the key at her only. Oh, I missed. Sorry, I wanted to hang this on this loop, but I just missed by coming into the bedroom and throwing.
You open the door with the key, but you ring your bell.
Yeah.
You're like, ding dong, I'm home.
Yeah. I wanted you to know that it's me and not somebody breaking.
Yeah,
in.
you're keeping them. You want the safety is important to you.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you ring the bell to let them know it's me, honey.
yeah.
Yeah.
Honey, I'm home.
Dude, I remember one time I went to her house because I forgot like my key and I had to. And she was working in the other
You guys
room.
live in now? No.
No, not yet. So, and she was working in the other room. And I was like, I'm just here. I think I was really into tennis at that time. So I think it was Wimbledon final or some shit. So I was like, okay, I'll just watch the end of the match here
Yeah.
only. And I watched like 3-4 seconds. I've been there for half an hour. And then she comes, like, she just yells, Shad, is that you? I'm like, you better hope it's me, actually. You thought somebody broke in.
And watches the Wimbledon
Yeah.
final.
Yeah. Some
How involved-
Djokovic fan.
How involved you get in your work that you just don't even notice
that's
somebody
crazy,
coming in.
right? I think the Aman, my flatmate, he has this thing also where some people have a level of attention to one thing that they forget everything
They
else.
were
Yeah.
horse blinders or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah. He has that like very quickly. Like I'm the opposite. I'm always alert.
Yeah,
Like I always pick
same,
up
yeah.
things
Yeah.
around me. But he can be like he's reading a book and one line he's read and then I've said something and he'll not reply till like 10 seconds. He'll be, huh, sorry, what? And I can't even believe a brain can work like that because
Yeah.
mine doesn't.
For me, like I have a whole thing. I know the sound of the lift when it's coming from
Yeah.
the ground
Yeah.
floor.
Everything.
All
I
those
know
sounds.
someone got in the ground floor
Yeah.
and it's on the
Yeah.
way up. I'm ready at the door.
Yeah.
Plus-
because I don't like the doorbell. If someone rings the doorbell, it's like
Yeah,
a
same.
failure from my
Same,
side.
same. Also, I have
Yeah.
this sick. Don't you guys feel like when you're really hungry and you're waiting for food, when the delivery person comes, my big thing is the other day I ripped it open so fast. I
Yeah.
know on the other side of the door he heard me. I'm like, that's disgusting. Let him at least leave.
Yeah.
No, don't let him hear me. Yeah, I'm already like eating it while he's waiting for the lift to take him down.
I live on the ground floor. So
Huh.
when I'm very hungry, I just like to see where he is and stuff.
Yeah.
Look out my window. But I don't want him to see that
Yeah.
I'm so eager.
Yeah.
So I switch off all of my lights and stuff. And I'm just waiting in the window like this. And then
I'll be honest, I have done this also. I have done this also.
Yeah, and then you can't open the door too quickly also.
Yeah,
so I
yeah.
let him ring twice. I'm like, acha,
Yeah,
bhag
yeah.
gaye."
Yeah, you go for a walk around your
Yeah.
house. and-
You come in with like a napkin over your
Yeah. And sometimes they can't find my house.
Yeah.
But it's on the ground floor. So they'll call me.
Yeah.
Sir, flat
can
number.
hear
in-"
the
I
real
can hear
voice.
them. But I
Yeah.
don't want them to know that I'm so vela that I can hear
Yeah,
you
and
through
you're
the
like, my house
So I'm
is
like,
very big
अरे sir,
inside."
bell बजा दो ना. अब मैं आ जाऊँगा खोलने के लिए. इधर ही I'm giving him direction
Dude, I've-
from the window.
You know, when I've done the lights off thing because I've
Yeah.
once not done that and I've looked out from the window and he has looked up and we made eye contact immediately while on the phone. I was like, I don't want to. I was like, huh, idhar hu main?
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't want that
Dude,
experience.
it's like that
again.
No Country for Old Men scene where you can see from the below
yeah,
the
yeah.
door. You can see
Yeah.
the you see,
So
you're
if-
waiting over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once in Bangalore, in my parents' place, this happened. I was super hungry and I
Yeah.
was like, I need it now. the food. And they entered the apartment. That you have that my gate and all.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
you come in. We know he's inside.
Yeah.
But
Entry
then he's
has
got
been-
brought 2-3 deliveries
Hmm.
in some other
Yeah.
are also
Yeah.
eating pizza in my
Yeah.
apartment
Yeah.
at the same time as me.
Yeah.
So he's chosen mine as the last of the 3
Yeah.
spots. I have stepped out of the house and I'm looking down and I've gone till the lift and the lift came to 4th floor and it opened and I had my hand ready. Like this. It was not him.
Oh no.
It was just someone getting off. We were like, oh, hi, they live here. Then I took the
He's
lift
just
down.
dancing like
Yeah.
a
I went to the basement and I found him and I brought
Wow.
I was like, where are you going, bro? He's like, I have to deliver in this block and come. Like, give me mine.
Oh, no.
I found him. I made him open and I'm ashamed of myself. I took a bite in the lift on the way up.
I just signed up for Swiggy Black just because
Oh.
I don't
Oh.
want someone to deliver someone else's food before they deliver my food.
Is that something they do?
Yeah, they group orders if they're not.
Yeah.
This is how these apps are like how
Yeah.
they're trying to make money, right?
Yeah,
they know
by-
that
Hmm.
they can either
What is
charge
it called? Like
Swiggy Black nowadays.
No, like this thing or this way of like making something premium and
Yeah, I don't know.
Uh,
But the thing is that like these, before it used to be like, oh, delivering one guy nearby, then we will come, and then I'm looking,
Yeah.
I'm waiting over there. This guy's there for 5 minutes. I'm like, what's the problem,
Yeah,
man? Just
yeah.
fucking like tell Shahad to go to the door quickly. Shahad is making him wait. So I ordered that. Simply, they just like made another level where to pay
Yeah.
money
Oh,
more.
yeah.
yeah, it's just that's how they that's that Black Mirror episode
Yeah.
they did on
Yeah.
it.
And
It was
what they do,
perfect.
right? So I ordered something and it said delivery 40 minutes. And then that animation comes
Yeah.
30 minutes because you're black. I'm like, whoa.
Whoa. Once you go
Damn.
black, you never go back, I guess.
Yeah, Swiggy Black is like you get arrested more often on the streets.
Yeah.
They don't have it in US. That's why.
Did you guys have this when you were like in 11th, 12th or whatever, like teenage years? Did you guys start like drinking or smoking or anything? Or like your friends must have started, I'm
yeah,
sure.
some
Yeah.
friends did.
So like all my friends had started like drinking and smoking, but I was not doing any of those things.
Yeah.
But I still had to like, I need to have some vice.
Yeah.
True.
So I would just order like junk food when my parents weren't home. Like I would like take money out of their wallet and
Yeah.
stuff to order Domino's.
Huh.
And then it would come, and my mom's gone to teach because she was a teacher.
Yeah.
She would come back, and then I have to have lunch again.
Oh,
So I would have
eating
like
double.
one full pizza and then 2 servings of Rajma Chawal also because I love Rajma. So you can't have little bit.
Yeah.
Then she'll know something's up.
Yeah.
Forcing yourself to eat.
Yeah,
more.
and then you have to get rid of the box also, like a dead body.
Yeah, yeah,
so I would
yeah.
go throw it in front of like some distant neighbors' house. Ki
I've
ye
done
khata hai
this.
Domino's jab aap log
I think I've done this once, but not like not in this way. That to create a new vice for myself.
I was just
Also,
like,
how do your friends know about this vice? If it's not to tell them, then what's
I thought it
for?
would come up naturally, but like I had to wait like 15 years and to come on a podcast.
There's like a
And then
there's like a
bring it up.
chain
This
pizza.
we'll keep it a chapter.
Yeah.
Like Shah's
Just this
confession.
one chapter.
Yeah.
Why
Yeah,
not?
confession.
You're a chain pizza eater. That's what
Yeah.
they think of you.
I used to do one scam, which is when I used to come to Bangalore. When I was in UG, I used to come to Bangalore. My brother used to be here, and that time he used to give me Sodexo, one booklet. He used to give me
Sodexo, that's
2,000
scam.
rupees something Sodexo booklet.
Yeah.
And that has only what do you say, legal stuff you can buy with that. You can't get alcohol with Sodexo.
Oh, okay.
Alcohol is legal, by the way.
I mean, whatever. For my
Got it, got
according
it,
to
got
my
it.
family.
Yeah.
Right. So what I used to like tell all my friends, come treat in McDonald's. I will pay, but everyone give me money. So I'll pay with Sodexo. Everyone gives me cash.
And you
Convert
take more
Sodexo
money.
to cash.
You should charge more than the Sodexo.
No. I would not say. I would just
Dude, that's great.
I would
Not-
convert to cash, and then after that,
Yeah.
I have cash money, bro.
No, this is
Hawala.
cash money. Cash money, young money.
Yeah, money, cash money.
This is the thing, like whenever I hear about like comics who are making money right now, you find out their backstory. They've been making money since they were kids actually. It's not a new
Yeah,
thing
like
for them
Ronak
at
we
all.
had on, he's been doing some business
So,
from childhood.
Washing machine I had
Yeah.
with me.
Yeah, no, I've never had such good instincts for
But
business.
you were like single child, so you had allowance and all, no? You had like proper like pocket money.
I should have had a decent amount considering there were no siblings, but not really. It was
No?
quite bad. I used to have to convince my mom she wants to eat a pizza. That was my
Right,
main
yeah.
thing. Like,
Oh,
so that
just
she-
tempt her to having
so
a pizza.
so that we order. I can't order for
Oh.
me. It has to be shared. So I
Yeah.
have to convince her that why do you want to work today? Just you owe it to yourself. Take a day off.
We did
Domino's.
that where Domino's once we got 30-minute free.
Yeah. Oh, you got
Once
it.
we got it free.
Yeah.
And then after that, some 10 times we didn't get it free, but who cares? We would try it every time.
After that, you've been putting those the police put the spikes on the
Diversion.
Stop like coming with a massive head injury.
Dude, that's something that I hate about Swiggy and Zomato is that they have a huge radius, and as soon as it comes into that radius, it marks it as it's a right hand location. And I live on the main road.
Yeah.
तो उसको U-turn वगैरह करके आना है from like a kilometer away.
Yeah.
But it's just arrived at location. It arrived early.
Yeah.
He must have not found your house.
Yeah,
That
it's
is-
your
dude,
problem.
that one guy called Abhijit, he has a great joke on that where like Swiggy, if they deliver late, they'll be like, we delivered late. But if it delivers early, it's like, look what we did just
Yeah.
then. Oh, wow.
Yeah, absolutely. That's how Indigo used to
Yeah.
show off about reaching early and stuff.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Well,
I
look how
hate
that
these
worked
guys.
out. Have you seen that Christopher Nolan drawing Memento's timeline on the
Yeah.
Horseshoe, yeah.
When I saw that, I realized why he has of course, the whole world loves him. But
Yeah.
in India, there's a disproportionate love for Nolan. Even people who are not into Hollywood that much, they're like, Nolan is my god. Because
Yeah.
he's this IIT professor
Yeah.
of this business. That's how we get into it. He's like, हाँ science आता है
Yeah.
इसको बहुत.
Yeah.
Because have you tried to say something bad about Nolan online? It's like, dude, it's like saying something about Sadhguru. You can't do it. Like,
You
Yeah.
can't do it.
his army will show up, like, bro, like that movie, which is the worst one. The
Tenet.
Tenet.
I really didn't like Tenet. I'll be honest.
Yeah, even I didn't
And
get
Yeah.
it.
I said it somewhere in some comments, and people were like, "You didn't get it, you piece of.
Yeah.
You don't use your brain." Like I'm pretty sure it made no sense because he himself said you don't have to understand this film, you have to feel it.
Okay.
That's just
All right.
come
like-
on.
That's
Sure.
like, come on, what
That's
are you?
that's the Salman Khan thing कि समझ में नहीं आते दिल में आते हैं
हाँ,
whatever.
मैं इसमें नहीं आता हूँ समझ में नहीं. What is it? दिल में
Yeah.
आता हूँ समझ में नहीं. That's right.
What is that quote?
मैं
भाई दिमाग समझ में नहीं आते वो दिल में
Oh,
आते
it
हैं.
doesn't
Yeah,
appeal
it's-
to your
I'm
brain.
vibes.
Yeah, it's not a
it's
logic
pure
thing.
love. I'm not
Yeah.
like.
But that's all right. Nolan is still it's a punchline for something that is like, whoa,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
On
whoa.
stand up.
Yeah.
Arey bhai, tu kya Nolan hai
Nolan.
kya? And
Yeah.
it still gets a laugh. Even
Yeah.
now,
Big
people
time,
get
big
a
time.
laugh.
I
That's
keep
how-
trying new references for my stand-up
Yeah.
to see how much they react.
Yeah.
Like I have a bit where I say Daniel Day-Lewis now.
Uh-huh.
Well, not everyone gets
Yeah.
it, but people who get it are like, I got it, I
Yeah,
got it.
yeah,
And
yeah.
then you get like an extra thing from them. The
Yeah.
others are like, what? I don't
Yeah.
know. Why is that a reference? Like,
Yeah, which is what all these influencers who teach you. They're like, go as niche as possible with your references
say
and
this?
stuff like that. Yeah.
Oh, and these influencers also who are saying this have big followings,
Yeah.
and they got it from
But, like,
being
I-
niche.
Apparently, like, I didn't know them, but they had like 4 or 5 million followers. Because they're like this whole feeling only, ki, I got it, so this guy is like me. So then they'll follow you and that parasocial relationship.
Oh,
Whoa,
Bullshit.
parasocial.
Ooh.
Whoa, bro.
Dude, I've
Easy.
seen too many things
Easy,
on
bro.
how to
Yeah.
become an
Big
influencer.
words and all. We don't like two words joining together and all. Okay.
Parasocial, dude. I am in a parasocial relationship with the Beatles right now. I'm watching so much of Beatles content because that anthology came out, which is
Yeah.
really
Oh,
good.
did you watch? It's with 4 people, 4 different.
No, that's a movie they're making.
Okay,
That Sam
okay.
Mendes is making 4 movies from the 4 Beatles POV. That is one. I can't
Nice.
wait for that.
Oh, that's like the book I was recommending to you. Daisy Jones and the Six.
Jones
yeah.
and the Six. Yeah. No, so this is the Beatles anthology, which once in '95 they released. All there, they have footage of them from their Apple Studios.
Okay.
has. But they've remastered it now. It's 9 episodes.
Okay.
From beginning
Wow.
to end.
In
of the
Apple TV,
Beatles.
it is.
It's in no, it's on
Hotstar.
Prime or Hotstar.
Is this the
Hotstar.
one where like John
Hotstar.
Lennon takes like a drug out and sees the camera, he puts it back inside?
I think that was in the Get Back documentary, which came last year. Peter
Uh-huh.
Jackson. That is like in this. That's one episode.
Okay.
But that is like an 8-hour thing of that whole
recording session.
That also very good, but
Ah.
that's like a little more if you're really into the Beatles
Ah.
because it's like unedited. You're sitting and watching the
Yeah,
Beatles
yeah.
rehearse,
Hmm.
and it's cool if you're into them because there is a moment where Paul McCartney figures out a song,
Hmm.
and you're like, oh, this is
Yeah.
a song, and it's Get Back, which is like the name of the
Oh.
Yeah.
documentary, which is insane to see, like to come up with that. But like I get the obsession with the Beatles. They're just like.
I feel like I was in a parasocial relationship with like Mark Norman and Joe List actually.
For a while.
Wow.
Yeah, because like when I was in college, like in 2013, I started listening to their podcast.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. and I-
2013, you were listening to Tuesdays. with
yeah, with
Stories.
Tuesdays with Stories.
Wow.
So I didn't have many friends, so I would just listen to this podcast.
Oh
and
my
dude, I have seen his full arc. So, man, looks
Sorry, man.
convincing.
Alright, bro.
I'm
We
sorry.
can't just move on from that moment.
Hey.
Moment hai bhai.
But how did you discover them in 2013?
I think I heard about that podcast on like this one, Pete Holmes' podcast.
Okay.
How did
And
you
I've-
discover that?
Yeah.
through
that's good.
College Humor.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Pete
College
Holmes used to come
Humor
on
was good.
College Humor's
Yeah.
podcast.
Batman used to play. I remember
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
sketch also. Yeah.
So like I was like, dude, this guy was single and sleeping with everybody.
Yeah.
Then he got married and now he has a kid and stuff. I was like, dude, why do I know so much about
I
this
also
man?
know too much about. We know too much
Yeah.
about those
Yeah.
people, but it's also like you pick which comics you can follow like that. You
Yeah.
can't follow all of them.
They gave me a shout out in one of the episodes.
What?
Really?
Yeah, like in 2014-15.
What? How?
When they weren't that big, because my brother lives in the US
Yeah.
and he's also a big Mark Norman fan.
Yeah.
So he went to watch him live and he told him that my brother's a comedian
Yeah.
and whatever. And yeah, in the next episode,
They said your
Shad.
name.
He-
Shad.
I don't remember if, I think they said my name, yeah.
Wow.
Which I was like, whoa. And then I had that episode downloaded, but now deleted it.
Yeah, that's amazing, dude.
Yeah.
Mark Norman has. I've spoken with Mark Norman on Instagram. He used to reply earlier to
Yeah,
every
yeah,
comment.
yeah.
So I really took advantage of that. Now
Yeah.
he's realized I can't reply to
I
everyone.
Dude,
Dude.
and I used to like talk to him like a friend only, like
Yeah.
where something where his because of COVID, his special got delayed.
Yeah.
And I was like, no man, put it now.
Same.
Everyone's
I
at home, right? And he's like,
Yeah.
oh, makes sense and all those things. He
Same.
didn't realize it. Yeah.
I that same time I
Yeah.
messaged, where's the special? Because he had said it's coming and it got delayed. I'm
Yeah.
like, where's the special,
Oh.
fatty? I used his like that's so
Yeah.
cringe. I'm using his language.
Yeah.
And he's like, sorry, edit issues, I'm gay.
Yeah.
He just messaged that, dude. It's so funny.
Yeah. I remember I DM'd him on Facebook. That's
Yeah.
how long ago
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I DM'd him some joke which I thought might
Yeah.
have been his, which I thought.
Yeah.
And he replied saying, that's a funny joke, but I don't do something like this.
Oh.
I was like, whoa, fuck.
Yeah, he was replying to everything. Then I sent him one video of mine and then he stopped. He's like, I can't. Now this is getting weird.
Now it's,
Yeah. Sorry. You were saying. Norm MacDonald? Oh, yeah. Norm MacDonald. That is like I'll never. Crazy.
What?
Norm MacDonald had put on his Instagram caption contest for
Right.
his photo with Bill Burr and two others in the Laugh Store
Huh?
and Comedy Store, and he had said the best 3 captions will be added to the comments, and I was selected as
Whoa.
So it's there
What is
permanently.
it? Old chunk of coal?
Three, Fantastic 4 chunks of coal
Oh, yeah,
or something. I had
Fantastic
said.
Four.
It was 4
Wow,
of them.
that's very cool.
Yeah, so I had got bronze medal, but I'm happy with that.
He
It's
noticed you, dude.
insane. And from what I can tell, he was running his Insta. It didn't
Yeah.
look like a team the way it was run. So that is like. Oh.
But I like how
okay.
Norm MacDonald was also trying to engagement bait.
Yeah.
Ki comment.
Comment,
de.
top 3 comments.
so funny. Like, I'm sure he did it tongue in cheek. He's like, oh yeah, this
Who
is what
knows,
the
right?
kids are doing.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's funny.
Follow for more.
And also at the end he wrote worst caption also he chose that which he had not mentioned he would do that. And he's like worst one and he wrote which
But
is
that would have been also good, cool. Like when he said ki they were at the Laugh Store, I was like, in Gurgaon, these guys were. That's cool as fuck.
Norm MacDonald in Laugh Store would have been awesome, but
He never performed in
Alas.
India, right?
No.
never. No, I mean
Well, hopefully.
I heard he's not keeping well. I don't know.
Yeah.
I love.
Sick.
Yeah, he's not. I didn't know he was sick.
Yeah.
The
I didn't know
comment
he was
sections
sick.
are
Yeah.
all like that of Norm videos
Yeah.
now. He's no more. I didn't even know he was sick.
But his jokes were like on his podcast, the jokes he
Yeah.
would read, that was the funniest.
Dude, he
too.
had some of the funniest jokes ever. What is? I'm trying to think of one or two we should just.
Albert
mention.
Fish.
Albert Fish.
ID.
The
ID is
ID
is
is like
iconic.
one of his
Greatest.
greatest jokes. One of the greatest jokes.
No,
Yeah.
and the thing was that, which is like so, against it became where like Norm MacDonald was the one who was like, okay, the jokes you write, it has to be, you should be able to like, it should be you delivering it. Only then it's funny,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
his jokes are the ones that are most repeatable.
Yeah.
Actually,
True.
the ID joke, you can do it in anyone's delivery.
The
That's
World
true.
War One also, you can
World
do it in
War
anyone's
One.
delivery.
But I think he has some jokes like that.
Hmm.
The ones we can repeat. But then there are some which work only because it's norm. Like the longer bits, right?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
the one
Shaggy
about
Dog
the-
stories, yeah.
Yeah, and the murder, the serial killer thing.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Shallow Grave.
Shallow Grave, yeah,
Grave.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
if you just read the words, you're like, this person's a lunatic.
Yeah.
He's like talking about killing someone.
Yeah.
How I would do it is I would
The
do
12,
this.
12-minute joke.
Yeah,
It's
12-minute
very
joke
good.
by Norm Macdonald. Too
Yeah.
good.
You know what I like to do sometimes is I like to go on ChatGPT.
Yeah.
And then I say, give me 10 jokes in the style of Mitch
Wow.
Hedberg. And sometimes they actually are like, oh, if he was alive today, talking about like, I don't know, man,
Yeah.
Instagram reels.
Wow.
This joke could have come from him.
That's cool. Yeah, that's
Hmm.
you getting a Mitch Hedberg joke, which no one
Yeah.
else.
Yeah.
has
Mitch
seen.
Hedberg is still alive for him.
For me, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Chief brand endorser of AI. You guys in this y'all can bond. Y'all are huge AI people.
I
You
love
need us
AI.
Yeah.
therapy on AI, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, not the generator aspect, the agentic aspect of AI.
What is that?
What's
the rule based, like
Okay.
getting things in your. Like, I'll tell you what I
How
did
is this
recently.
not generative though?
No, this is generator.
Yeah.
Right. What
Yeah.
I'm saying is, I'll tell you what I did recently. This is awesome. Okay. First of all, so I was buying some stuff and it costed a little money. So I was like, okay, I want some coupon code for this one. Why should I go search? I've told in the browser,
Mm.
hey, just go and search all the world for
Yeah.
coupon codes.
Mm.
Try it over here.
Mm.
Give me minimum 15% off,
You got
but
it.
maximum discount. Take 5 minutes to do it.
Mm.
And I did that. When did something else, came
Okay.
back, it got it.
Wow.
And applied it and it came.
That is cool.
That's very cool.
That is agentic stuff. That is basically you've given it rules, right? You're like, okay,
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
search. This is exactly what you would do
yeah.
otherwise.
But what about what it's doing to you as a person? That you have so much. You're,
I was
you're,
cre- I was
you're
saving-
dominating a thing
I was
and
saving
telling it what to do and
things at that point in time. I was like donating to an orphanage during that time. What about
why
that?
can't you
Yeah.
make ChatGPT do it for you?
No,
why
that
why
is-
don't you donate to the orphanage?
But I also use it like this now where I was looking for storage spaces in Mumbai and I was like, just list 5 spaces, give me the pros and cons of everything.
Yeah.
Itna, like, this is my budget, which will be the best.
Sure.
And it just gave
That's
me
what-
all
this
this
is rule-based.
information.
This is-
yeah.
Interesting. I will try it. I'll try it.
Oh,
I use it. I've not used it. I'm just
Oh,
like
I thought you were a little
I use
hater.
it. I am a hater.
Yeah,
I
why-
use
why
it
you-
with some suspicion always. You should have.
obviously, I also use it.
I
with
don't think
suspicion.
so. You're telling your whole life story
No.
to it. That's not the work of a person.
I
with
give a
suspicion.
wrong life story. So
You test it out with
Yeah,
a
so
wrong
I have
backstory.
a 10-inch dick.
Give me 10 things to do with it. Take your time. Take 5 minutes.
But something that works is it gives me the answer and then I give a second prompt, which is don't lie to me. And then the answer changes whatever it's given me. Like,
so
thanks for
scary
calling
that-
me out. And then
No, yeah, so you can give it a character. Like some people, one of my friends used to put it like, make it a yes man, right? Someone who's just always cheery. So even if you say that I lost my job, it's like, don't worry. That means that you'll get another job coming up
Yeah.
soon.
You know what's going to happen in the future because of this is relationships will fall away. You will just hook up with people. And all of the other aspects of
My
relationships
God.
will be
Yeah.
taken care of by your
No.
AI. Oh, yeah, this is
No.
creating all
No.
of the don't worry, it's like I got your back.
No.
Everything else in the relationship
Obviously,
it will give you.
this is just a small part of it. It's not going to be, it's not going to replace
Wait
human
till
contact.
ChatGPT 6.0, which looks like a woman and walks into your
Wait a second.
I-
What?
like everybody says AI will replace jobs. I tried doing a bit where I think AI will just replace my friends only.
Yeah.
Like I think it's a great friend who did this yes man thing.
Yeah.
Never showing me the truth about my life.
You
Yeah.
guys are
It's just-
crazy. You guys
It's the best. I love
Hey,
ChatGPT.
dude, you're just a hater.
I'm
Yeah.
a
Look at the
hater.
positive outlook we have towards life.
Yeah.
And look at
Yeah.
you. Look
You're
at
the
you.
cynic.
If you had asked ChatGPT, would have told you to shave today and
Yeah.
come.
Dude, I
It would have told you to not drink that coffee. You wouldn't have fallen sick.
man,
Sick,
you
yeah.
Guys, you guys are like, it'll be great.
Thank you, chat. Thank you, AI.
It'll be great right now if you take one of you like in Terminator. He cuts his hand and it's a metal.
Yeah.
You guys are both fucking robots. Yeah. There's a red dot in your eye.
No, I do it for all these things. Any buying anything like
Yeah.
compare.
Yeah.
Like I want to buy a robot vacuum. Tell me the 5
Oh,
things that are
fancy
there.
guy,
I
this
mean,
man.
this guy is a robot vacuum. He's taking jobs away from hardworking
Yeah.
Dude,
people.
I don't have house help. That's why I have a robot
But
vacuum.
why
Yeah.
don't you have house help?
Yeah. What
Because
about the house
I have
help?
a robot vacuum.
But the house help is a software engineer. Oh, no. What is the house help doing?
It's just
huh?
like, simply why have like, the person
It's
in the
okay,
house and all
man.
those things.
It's all right.
Yeah.
I
As
have
you
a
wish.
robot vacuum, which
Great.
also is a therapy. I can talk to it while it's cleaning.
I think we have to wrap up.
Once
with
in a while,
that
it steals something and goes away also, just to give me the real feeling.
And another robot vacuum rings your bell. It's like, I'll do it. Why have you chosen that one? Huh? I'm the one for this area. Where did you get this one from?
We haven't spoken about the greatest footballer.
Oh shit!
The greatest footballer to have ever graced this planet
Should we talk?
was there in our pin code.
Oh, Arshad
Yeah.
Varsi?
Second.
Dandanadan, not the Dandanadan
Not
goal.
the- yeah,
Just
yeah.
the once in a while goal guy.
Yeah.
Lionel Messi.
Dandanath.
He didn't quite score it. Dandanadan. That's the name of that movie.
Man, this is like the Roko and Abhi Roko thing all over. It's not done another goal. It's sometimes.
So yeah, Lionel Bhai was in India.
Yeah, man.
In the,
Yeah.
What must have been, even in his life,
Dude, this was like
the most surreal 4 days of his life.
I think
Yes.
when comics get called to do like store openings, right? Like,
Yeah.
come open lens card for us.
Oh, yeah.
In Bhopal. Like what? Why should we
Yeah,
do that?
dude, I can't. He's not posted anything on his
Nothing.
socials. He's just like
That must have been not part of his deal, no? He's like,
Yeah.
he post karne ka, I'll have
Yeah,
to
yeah,
be
yeah.
like
Dude,
extra.
it's-
No, it's like a bad corporate. When you have like a
Yeah.
bad corporate and
No,
someone
oh.
tags you, like,
Dude,
yeah.
it's a 4-city bad corporate back to back.
That's why there's no photograph of him eating also. You know, when you just bomb a corporate, you don't eat that. He just left.
Yeah, every stadium they're like, bhai buffet hai. Like, nahi, bhai.
He was supposed to be there for an hour, but he just finished it in
Yeah.
45. I'm out of material, guys.
And it's also that corporate where you know it's going to be a bad show, so you bring 2 friends to open for you. He brought 2 of them. He's like, you guys do a little bit.
Do 10 minutes up top, both of you guys.
That's exactly what his experience
That's crowd
was.
work for a while and then leaves.
And what a start.
Before Messi runs around, he's making Suarez run around as the opening.
Yeah, he's warmed up. He's warmed himself up. I don't know about the room. De Paul, the other guy.
Yeah, Rodrigo.
De Paul.
Who's Rodrigo de
He's
Paul?
the other footballer who came with
Okay.
him. 3
Yeah,
of them
3
came
people
with him.
came.
Okay.
He was in he could be Lux Cozy next brand
Yeah,
ambassador.
yeah.
He was in that banyan all throughout,
Dude,
except in
I mean, talking about
Bantara.
this. So, in that Udaipur wedding,
Hmm.
J-Lo came, right?
yeah.
And right after that, the next weekend, I saw J-Lo, some jewelry brand ambassador, J-Lo. So she
Oh.
came and she got that deal and went off.
Maybe.
Dude, I'm telling you,
possible.
the billboard, she's there, J-Lo.
J-Lo's doing a jewelry
Ah.
deal in India.
Yeah.
That's why, man.
Dude,
it
that
cool?
is, dude.
They must have like.
That's
good
when you do like a
management.
corporate and then you do a live show and then come
Yeah.
back. Right? Like,
That's insane.
Double money.
But J-Lo is that level of celebrity that even Indians know her. So I guess
Jennifer
she can-
Lopez,
Although
jewelry.
she's not
Yeah,
that
she's
relevant
not that
anymore.
big anymore as she was in like in the 2010s.
Yeah, but she's like, she has staying power for sure. She's
Zen Diamond.
Zen Diamond. Whoa,
You
it
could, we
calms
could
you
be
down.
sponsored by you if you're interested.
Is Zen Diamond?
Zen Diamond.
Uh,
That'll be great if you like. You guys just have to wear like diamond necklaces
yeah,
while
yeah.
doing the
It's
podcast.
so like not on brand
Yeah.
for anything we do.
Yeah.
But like we're wearing cufflinks and stuff.
Yeah, J-Lo Zen. Jennifer Lopez, Zen Diamond. I'm
Insane.
telling you, she
Wow.
came for
Insane.
2 gigs, bro.
So she was like, I'm anyway going there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do this also. The Udaipur wedding is that where the crazy
Healthcare, pharma
where
guy.
they danced really
Yeah.
badly, right?
Dude,
Yeah.
They got like Donald Trump's son to perform at the Sangeet.
Kushner. Oh, which one?
No, son, his own
The
son.
son, his
Oh,
own
wait.
son.
Fred Trump.
DJT
No,
Junior.
Donald Trump
Yeah,
Jr.
I think Donald Trump Jr.
Perform means what does he
Like
do?
in the Sangeet, like when all of the friends
Yeah.
are dancing, he's also there with his wife on stage.
He's friends with that family.
Yeah,
probably.
Must
I
be
guess,
a donor to the GOP.
Maybe.
Yeah, donor kebab.
But dude, imagine getting like the
That's what they call Arab donors in
Donor
the US.
kebabs.
Donor
No,
kebabs.
when oh god, this is horrible. This is really dark. But when you donate your organ, but they can't use it, right? It's a donor kebab. They just like, fry it up and they sell it in the black market. This one is donor kebab, bro.
Shit,
But
I can't
yeah,
think of
everyone
any.
went there. So J-Lo, I said, but Messi, yeah, he might come in some fruity ad. We don't know. He'll
Yeah,
come.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We don't know what he has done in those
Yeah.
days, apart from those few minutes.
Yeah.
He must have shot some. Ambani's would have made him shoot
I'm sure
something.
he'll come on
Yeah.
like Nikhil Kamat's podcast now.
Yeah,
He'll be the
yeah.
next guest.
And he speaks only in Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nikhil
And
Kamath
they'll-
uses AI to translate
Yeah,
him and
yeah.
stuff. And it will be the lowest energy podcast.
But
even, like,
that
both
is
of them.
something amazing. Huh? One of the most recognized people
Yeah.
in the world, and not a lick of English.
Messi, right?
Messi.
Does he actually not speak
No,
English
not
at
at
all?
all. Not at all. Even in the whole thing, he never spoke English.
No English.
He's like,
Wow.
muchas gracias.
Yeah, muchas
Mumbai.
gracias, Mumbai. Hey,
Wow.
Arrivederci,
Yeah,
hey.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Rahul Gandhi
Football
spoke to him
Mundial.
in-
Hey.
Yeah, Rahul Gandhi spoke
Spanish.
Spanish, yeah.
with him. Yeah. Also, they called him the prime minister in one of the like when they were giving said. I think Messi's translator
Yeah.
was like, "Thank you to
Wow.
the prime minister."
Oh.
And then Rahul Gandhi turns like they made a meme of him turning, laser coming
The
out
Arjun
of his eye.
Rampal meme.
Dude, that Telangana chief minister is the
Ravens Reddy.
all-time great. He wore an
Whoever-
Arsenal jersey and he played football with Messi.
Yeah.
and he
funny.
kicked it all over the place. the
Yeah, and
ball.
Messi was running to get the ball
Yeah.
and come back and all those things.
And then once Messi kicks the ball into the crowd,
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
then he's going to kick one, and he gives the ball to Messi. He's like, "You throw it up." Like,
Ooh.
what is this alpha move?
Man, I love India, dude. I love Indian
yeah, no, and
politicians.
Messi would be familiar with this also. In Argentina, also
Yeah,
the politics will be
Argentina
like this
also-
only.
Yeah.
It's not as shocking to him as
Yeah.
maybe like a German player coming
Correct.
there or someone who's like used to.
Or like an Australian and all would come,
Yeah,
a cricketer
yeah.
would come and be like, oh, this is like too much, right?
Yeah.
You think like when Messi met Sachin, you think he knew who Sachin was?
Oh,
I
that's a
thought
good
about
question.
this. But
That's a
like,
good-
I think he would have gotten a PR this
PR.
one.
Yeah, he wouldn't
Yeah,
have
like, but he
known.
wouldn't be aware. Like, I'm sure Messi would know who Michael Jordan is.
True.
Yeah,
Messi
of
knows
course, of
Kobe and all.
But
that.
Kobe, I don't know if he would
No,
know.
they have met. Because Ronaldinho and
Oh,
Kobe
okay.
knew each other.
Okay.
But
Interesting.
I hope he didn't leave in a helicopter.
From
India.
Mamba.
Now we go to our celebrated segment. It's called Small Talk, Different Year. And today, the year we have chosen
is the ripe old age of
16,
12.
16, 12 is the year. We're just having a conversation in the year 16, 12, like any podcasters would in that year. And let's go.
I was just looking at the.
Yeah, you can.
Wikipedia.
Take
You're
your
allowed
time,
to look,
take your
yeah,
time.
it's
Yeah,
fine.
everybody's allowed to
Guys,
look,
I don't
man.
know if you know this. There's some East India company has showed up,
Yeah.
and they're like setting up shop in Surat, and they're saying they're here for business, and but then now they brought the navy, and I don't know why a navy is.
They
required for
actually
business.
fought with Portugal and won also. I don't know what that means for us.
Yeah, they fought in here.
Here, yeah.
Why are they fighting here against?
What do we
Portugal?
have that they want?
I don't know, man. But I hope it's just business and nothing more, right?
It sounds like it's just business.
How many
East
years
India-
contract have they been given so far?
I know for now it's a 5-year contract.
Okay,
But
maybe
then-
5+5 max,
Yeah,
and then they're out of here.
I hope it's not open ended.
Yeah, let's hope.
I don't know.
not.
I'll check with Jahangir. Like, maybe
Yeah.
he'll know. I have a meet and greet with him planned.
Nice.
He started the new. I don't know if you listen. He meets subjects.
Jahangir?
Yeah, Jahangir. His quote is a Jahangir's quote, where like he solves everything.
Ah.
It's not like before. It was all like red tape, right?
Mm.
Now there's nothing. You can just buy a ticket
Mm.
and you can meet him. So I'm anyway meeting him sometime. I have a couple of questions to ask anyway. So I'll
Nice,
ask
nice.
him.
Yes.
I have to go to a funeral of Lord Holidays.
Okay.
Yeah, from the famous grandfather invented holidays.
What?
Yeah, before that, everybody.
What was
Would-
called? What was it called before?
No, like there were just no holidays before that. It was just Sunday because the Lord's Day. And this guy came in and was like, hey, workers' rights.
So wait, his name is Lord Holidays?
Yeah, and that's what that's what holidays are named. Like that's
So-
what I think we'll name it after.
Yeah.
But you're saying that his name had day in it, and coincidentally he is into.
Holiday
Giving
into the
people days off.
calendar.
Wow.
What are the odds, huh?
Isn't that insane?
Yeah, the world is crazy, man.
Yeah.
The world is crazy.
Man,
Like,
it's you know what I knew. It's something I just love it.
huh.
This world is so crazy. We are in the center. Sun is revolving around us. You know, it's just such a.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I know there's some guy Galileo is saying some stuff in the Italy. I
What's he
don't know.
saying?
I mean, right now he's not said the main thing he's going to say. I think.
Yeah.
He's just,
which is
he's just ramping up to it. I think.
Oh, he's setting
which
up.
is what Eureka is not set to.
No, that is someone
That's
else.
what.
That's Archimedes.
That's
Oh,
Archimedes.
Which year is that? Can we do that
That
year?
was, I think,
Long back.
earlier.
That is long
But
back.
this Galileo, he's giving me vibes of he's gonna break, like he's gonna say
What?
something.
What can he say?
Like stuff like the Earth is actually not like
What?
the Earth is going around the sun.
I think he
Yeah.
should be burned with like the witches that
Yeah,
we found
wait,
right
if-
now.
The witches.
if the what is he saying? If the Earth is not, how do we have summer and winter if the Earth is not in the center?
Honestly, dude, at this time in history, I don't know anything. I don't understand any of this. To be honest, I don't know how we are alive. Every day we are, pooping in the streets.
Yeah.
and,
Yeah.
Cholera is a big thing
Cholera,
here.
typhus.
Typhus? Forget typhus, tiger. That I saw
Tiger.
yesterday outside my
Saw
house.
tiger.
Forget typhus. Tiger. I feel like I don't think you're respecting what typhus can do if you think tiger is killing more people.
That's only because I don't know what it is.
Typhus,
No.
even I didn't know what it was.
What
because
happens when you get
everyone
typhus?
who's got it in my family died immediately. So I couldn't
Immediately.
find out what it
You
was.
didn't get to ask them?
No, they it's like it happens when you're in a crowd, which we are always in a
Yeah,
crowd,
yeah,
and
yeah.
when it's unsanitary, which we are always unsanitary.
Mm.
So it just
Well,
messes up your...
I'm sanitary. I always poop in a different place every
Oh,
morning.
really?
Yeah.
Somewhere
Outside
else
only,
is-
but
Oh,
different place.
I'm
I-
trying to poop in the same place and I have to see how big I can make the mountain.
You're trying to break...
What are you, Mr. Beast, dude?
What is
Mr.
that?
Beast, what is that?
What is that? What is that? I don't know anyway. Mr. Holiday, I just found out. Who's
Yeah,
Mr.
I don't
Beast?
know what he's saying because
Yeah.
in my mind, I'm still in 1605 right now.
Yeah.
I'm not
Oh,
even reached.
That's so 1605.
Oh, Dude,
You,
sorry,
bro.
I forgot my compass. Yeah, man. I don't know how I'll find my way home from here.
Dude, but you know what? I don't know about you, but like I went to the London. I went London.
London.
Yeah.
Londonium.
I was Londonia.
It's become London now.
London.
Yeah.
Dude, when I had a free day, I had some work, and after
Yeah.
I had a free day,
Uh-huh.
I saw this nice like play, man, by this guy. What is it? Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. Oh, I was like,
Shakespeare.
which Shake? Which
Shakespeare.
Shake
I
was
thought it was
doing
a dance initially. I
Ah.
thought,
Yeah.
okay, Shakespeare
Arabic
must be like
guy?
cabaret.
I
and all.
thought it
Is
might
it
be some.
Arabic guy?
No,
Shakespeare?
William.
Oh,
Is it something to drink?
No.
Oh.
So I went thinking like, it's like I went with my boys. I was like, okay, let's just go and party a little at
Yeah.
night,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
finished
yeah.
one meeting. Let's go.
Hmm.
Shakespeare.
Was it good?
It is all right.
Did
but
you
it's
understand?
like
Do you
mass. Mass it is.
Do you think
mass.
it'll hold up? Do you think people will remember it like they remember?
I don't
like
know.
a
It's
flash
like-
in the pan kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like everyone was enjoying it, but it felt like more like a dopamine thing, right? We're like, okay,
What?
this.
What thing?
Sorry, I mean,
This guy, are you Galileo? He should be born at the stake also.
Dopamine? Who's this? I don't know, Mr.
Man.
Dopamine.
that
it
is
Mr.
Lord
Dopamine?
Lord Dopamine. I meant to mean Lord Dopamine.
Where is Andheri Witch Hunt?
Lord Dopamine.
Lord Dopamine.
Lord
ah.
Yeah, he's a guy who's just always very excited.
Acha.
So he was telling me about it. So I don't think it'll hold up though.
Nah, I don't think
No.
so.
It's very
Also, there's this...
tropey, very tropey.
Okay, another one I don't know. But also...
Like
You know
Trophy,
English?
he
I've heard
wins a lot.
things-
Trophy, does he win a lot?
Yeah, I'm like, good luck to the Sheikh, I guess.
Yeah,
the Shakespeare.
yeah.
Let him do well. He's already my favorite Sheikh of them all.
Yeah.
But yeah,
My-
sorry, you had something.
No,
Go
yeah,
for
my
it.
boy Kutub Shah, he passed away, dude.
Yeah. How?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it had something to do with the Minar he was
He fell from the Minar, which was constructed before
yeah.
him passing.
He really he went to Italy and really liked the Leaning Tower of Pisa over there.
Okay.
Is this Kutubuddin Aibat?
I don't know, dude. I just
Is it your boy Kutubuddin Aibat?
No, sorry. He made the Charminar. My boy made Charminar.
Oh.
My favorite.
Charminar. Fun fact, he could only count till 3. So this fourth one was like a new revelation. He died of shock. More than 3 you can make.
His own creation destroyed him.
I
Well,
have
if
a
he only knew where the numbers have come since he's gone.
And I have a feeling like 400 years from now,
Yeah.
in like 2025, guys.
What?
If a year like that would ever exist and
Yeah.
you go to the Charminar, it would still be under construction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you think so?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it is complex. I
It
think
is,
yeah.
yeah.
it's we are not where like the people in Italy are. I don't know what you know what's happening over
What's
there.
happening there?
This is they don't call it anything right now, but it'll have
Okay.
a name at some point. There's a lot of cultural, a
Right.
lot of painting. Lot
Oh,
of sculpture.
yeah, yeah.
It should have a name, but you know,
Yeah.
right now it's just they're doing it.
Yeah, yeah.
There was
they're
some
doing-
Yeah.
guy Da Vinci who became famous.
Are they
was,
going through something right now? Are they going through
they're
like
going through something like what?
like
No, yeah, but that's that's a word that
the rent something rent
rent
rent a sauce.
Yeah,
They
rent a
rent a sauce.
pizza sauce.
Yeah, for it's just the pizzas over there are so
No, and
black.
those guys, no, they're getting a little crazy.
You need like
You
a
can rent a
kisan.
sauce. Wow, is this some sort of Chinese whisper that's gone on for across the ocean? And this is
No,
what
but
you
you know what? These Italians, right? I know
Yeah.
from experience. I've dealt
Yeah.
with them in business, right?
Okay.
So these guys, they get crazy. You know, one time they'll start painting over here, then they'll start painting everywhere.
every
man. You
surface.
can't even stop them. They
This-
just start painting
yeah.
everything. Just you have to control them.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they'll graffiti.
Yeah.
You have to put. You have to
Yeah, it's
mark
just
it off.
annoying.
Yeah, they were like, "He's like, I'll paint the ceiling." I was like, "Where's the millennial grey which I want?" That's what I.
What? What's a million?
What's a millennial grade?
It's. I've just heard somebody overheard them while being executed. I heard this. That was my last word.
While being
Millennial grey. Then they said,
Oh my
Oh,
God.
guillotine.
Are you guys coming for my brother's wedding? He turned 10 yesterday.
Oh, dude, what an old,
Yes.
handsome man.
Yeah, he's going through a midlife crisis right now. So we should be there for
Yeah, man, just make sure he's not in the crowd, dude.
I wish him
Yeah.
health. I hope he lives to a ripe old age of 23. All right?
23.
23,
Whoa,
John.
dude. Oldest man alive.
Okay,
All
good.
right.
All right, see, that was great fun.
All
Thank you so
right.
much, Hard. So this is going to come out probably in a couple of weeks. So
Yeah.
next to next
Whoa,
week.
okay.
Is there anything? Are you doing anything that you want to plug at all?
Probably not. Probably not doing
No?
anything. Just Instagram, I might be doing.
Yeah, Shad
shit.
Shafi Instagram.
Follow
He
me
puts
there.
really funny short.
Yeah, he
reels.
puts really funny sketches, and when it starts working, he stops doing it.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. You will find him regularly running out of steam. On
Yeah. I made like 100 people follow him, and then
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
like, "Where this guy's not even
Time
uploading."
to go on hiatus for 4 years
See,
now.
ChatGPT would never talk to me like this. That's just what I want to say.
We'll let him get back to his real friends now. Thank you, Shad. Please
Thank you.
follow us.
Follow
Hey,
us.
yeah,
Hey,
like,
thanks for
share,
having me.
subscribe, I
Yeah,
guess.
and
Yes.
hype, and
Yeah,
put
hype.
hashtag Messi.
Yeah, if you got till here, hashtag Messi. And if you didn't get till here, hashtag Ronaldo.
Comment chapters also.
Yeah, chapters.
Thank you.
My God, how much work we have given people. All right, chalo, bye.
Bye.